Hello everybody, and welcome back to another day, another photo. Oh yeah! This is the photo that we are doing right now. And then I am going to go to the emergency room because I can't get my right leg's calf to fire at all. And it sucks. So I already know I got bulging discs and my back's deteriorating. It's all riddled with arthritis now. But it's because I'm an old man that's been hit by many cars and some buses and a lot of skateboarding. And I'm fat. But beyond all that, let's get this photo done. So. Down just a tad. And down. Detail, color, luminance. Alright. Fix. Texture. Some clarity. Thanks for that haze. Very nice. Now we shall a mask. Gonna be doing some video and some photos for Bloomsday tomorrow for a rapper that's doing some stuff for Bloomsday tomorrow. I can't say more than that, but you'll see. You'll see some of the stuff. Noise. Nice. Duplicate invert said mask. Okay. Introductions. That is our photo for today. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow on the next. We'll be watching out for another main video that I'm doing. It's an update on the Vegas Pro. It's got new owners, tell you that, and tell you my thoughts on it in the video. So, be watching for that. Thank you very much. See you on the next, and I'm gonna go get poked at by the doctor. Bye-bye.